said I ain't messing with her unless she real fine. You feel me? I ain't messing with her unless she real fine.
Hey y'all, so Destiny. In this video I'll be showing you all how I do my natural hair like this. So let's get into it. Okay you all, so I went from wearing a ⁵ set to pinning my curls up in a high puff, and then I brushed the curls out and put it in this low bun. It's been about 3 weeks. Yep, my hair needs to be washed. I'm going to go ahead and take out the bun, remove the 2 scrunchies. For everyone that's been asking to see my natural hair wash day routine, here it is. I'm going to quickly detangle my hair just a little bit before I begin the shampooing process. This helps to remove any shed hair since my hair has been in that bun, and just for me to kind of detangle a little bit so that my hair isn't tangled during the washing process. After just a little bit of detangling, nothing major, I began to run my hair underneath warm water. This is going to rinse out any products that I've been using. I did the ⁵ set, so we had a few products we added for that. When they got old, like I said, I did like a hot puff. I did a low bun. I lay my edges often. So we just need to rinse out the products, and you can see that it's products in my hair because the water is running white before I've even put any shampoo in. And it's going to bring my curls back as well because the ⁵ set sort of stretched my curls out. So once I'm satisfied with the amount of rinsing that I've done to my hair, I go ahead and take my shampoo. So the first shampoo that I use, and I use this shampoo every time I wash my natural hair. It's prescribed by my dermatologist. It's the ketoconazole shampoo 2%. And basically I have scalp psoriasis. That's the short version. I'll link a dermatologist video down below if you all want to catch up on all of that. But this shampoo has to sit on the affected area for 5 minutes. My affected area is mostly the front. So since I'm not working that shampoo all over my entire head, I like to kind of like continuing versus standing around for 5 minutes. I take my second shampoo and lather that all over the remainder of my hair. And the shampoo I'm using is the Luster Silk Curl Enhancing Shampoo. I love this shampoo mostly because it does what a shampoo should do for the hair. It cleanses the hair, enhances the curls, which I love, and it's not like stripping or drying at all, but you'll know that your hair is clean. So I go ahead and I rinse that out, and I'm going to repeat a second time all over using the Luster Silk Curl Enhancing Shampoo. So one of the most asked questions in the natural hair community, especially here on YouTube, is what's your hair type? I personally do not type my hair, so I'm not too sure. If you're someone who may be able to look at my hair and tell, you can feel free to comment that down below for someone that may be interested. But what I am interested in is knowing the porosity of my hair. I've never done the test, but just observing the way my hair behaves with water, the way it behaves with hair products, I think it's safe to say my hair is low porosity. I think over the years with trial and error, trying different hair products, different techniques, with me finding out the porosity of my hair, I've been better able to style my hair, better able to get the curls to pop, and I just basically now know what my hair likes and doesn't like. So now that we've done the rinse, lather, repeat, we're going to move on to the next step, which is important for low porosity hair, deep conditioning. See, underneath the dryer, go back to the shower. That's why a lot of times if I do wash my hair in the sink, it is more convenient because I still I'm dressed and it's quicker versus get out the shower, sit under the dryer, go back to the shower. To each his own. If y'all like that method, I personally don't. And yes, we're taking it back, a oldie but a goodie. I'm using the cholesterol conditioner. My hair loves this stuff. I don't care about like the hype of new products. I'm that person that's going to forever use, even if I'm using it over and over and over and it's like she's been using it for years. If I like it, I like it. If my hair likes it, it likes it. Not only that, in 2022, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So now that I have the conditioner in my hair, using the shower comb is going to give it a little bit of slip. Perfect time for me to go ahead and detangle. I don't comb my hair with shampoo in it, but the conditioner is more soft. And since we're in the shower, we got the steam. So I'm using my shower comb. I take sections and I just comb my hair through just to work the conditioner all the way through my hair. If I wasn't doing my wash day routine in the shower, really I did this for y'all. If you're not new here, y'all know I'm a kitchen sink hair washer. Say whatever you want to say. I just don't like the shampoo all over my skin. Comment down below. I know I can't be the only one. Depending on the product I use, sometimes washing my hair in the shower makes my body itch. Like, I'll feel so itchy, so dry. I have to rush and put on so much body oil just because of my skin feeling so itchy and stripped. If you're a person who has bacne, which is like back acne, think about like, would that change if you started washing your hair in the sink? This is not a kitchen versus sink debate. I'm just saying. So I'm gonna go ahead and proceed with my shower. If you don't have exfoliating gloves, you need them. I'll film a separate shower routine soon, but I'm gonna take my St. Ives body wash. I love this one, y'all. I'm gonna link it down below. It's on point. It is so good. Which I don't know. Okay, so now we're rinsing out the conditioner. Let me put you on game right quick. Low porosity, I got you. So listen, maybe I do, I don't know. I'm not a professional. But normally when I remember, I take my first leave-in product into the shower with me. And when I rinse out the conditioner, the water is not all the way cool. It keeps my strands warm a little bit so that when I squeeze the water out, I apply that first leave-in. It's not sitting on top of my strands. Like it gets soaked up. And then my curls be like, oh, we like this. And then I will put the towel on, but I forgot to do it. And I've been in and out of the shower filming this video, so I was like, never mind. But that's normally what I do. Thank me later. So let's just not talk about the fact that I had to shower again to get the conditioner off my skin. But nonetheless, now we're on to the styling process. So I like to do my hair in sections. First thing I like to take is the Softy hair grease. Yep, a oldie, but a goodie. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. No, I'm kidding. I've been recently trying this on my hair. Either I alternate with that or I'll use the ointment prescribed by my dermatologist. If you don't want to use the grease, just use an oil. After that, I take my Oleology curl cream. That's kind of like a leave-in conditioner. Work that through. On top of that, I take the Twist Me Curl Styling Pudding by Body. In my relaxed days, I used to say Body gives you a lot of body, which I can confirm is still true for their natural hair care products because even my wash and go is kind of bouncy. Picked up these products about 3 or 4 months ago. I've been using them on and off in my wash day routine. And then after that, I kind of brush my curls through one more time with this little Annie brush. And then I go on top to define the curls and lock in the curl more with the Eco Styling Gel. And my technique is basically kind of raking that through my hair. And another thing I learned from my sister Dominique ᶫᵒᵔ here on YouTube, she really taught me like more about doing my natural hair. I have to take small sections. I'm kind of impatient sometimes when it comes to doing my natural hair because it takes a long time. But if you're gonna do it right. Small sections, they get me all the way together. So again, run it through my step for the order of the products, the grease or the prescribed ointment from my dermatologist, or just like a hair oil on my scalp. After that, I take a leave-in product. After the leave-in, I apply the little Twist styling cream. On top of that, I apply the Eco Gel. Sometimes I use different products. I do have quite a few staples in my stash, but the order and the application of the way I put them in my hair is what remains the same.
I've been moving calm, so no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me, yeah. If I didn't my blade on curb, would you still? If I made up my mind at work, would you still?
So to avoid disturbing my curls while my hair dries, once I get to the front, I decide where I want my part to be. Today we're going to do a middle part. And for a little extra shine, every once in a while styling my hair, before moving on to another section, I like to take the Lustrous Pink Oil Sheen. Again, if y'all not new here, like real OGs know. I used to use this a lot on my relaxed hair. I'm going to link this brush too. I like the way the handle is. It makes it easy to distribute your products through your hair, and it also helps the curls to pop even more. And that's basically it. So now I just kind of go about my day, wait on my hair to dry. If I'm in a rush, especially during the winter time, you can't really leave outside with wet hair like we can in the summer. So some days I'll actually multitask by sitting underneath the hooded dryer while doing my makeup, different things like that. So it just depends. This specific wash day routine, I just let my hair air dry. Even though it looks like my hair is kind of like short and you would think it would dry in a day, it's never usually fully dry until the next day. So I go ahead and define the part even further, apply a little more gel to make that nice and smooth. And that's basically it. It's actually 2 days later, the way that it looks. That's how I do my hair, like this. I just kind of lounged around the house yesterday, so I didn't really conclude this video. When I finish my hair, normally it's like on my shoulders, but then as it dries, it kind of goes up. So yeah, shrinkage is real, but I heard that that's kind of a good thing if your curls kind of bounce back and then you know, tighten up and things like that, elasticity wise. It's all good. So now when y'all see my hair like this, I could just direct you all to this video because my wash day routine is pretty much, it's the same thing basically. Sometimes the products may change because I do have more than one shampoo, more than one conditioner that I like, more than one styling gel that I like. Even if the products change, the order of the steps remain the same. The way that I would use the products remain the same. This is my updated wash day routine for the start of 2022. The last I got my hair straightened out, it was even, but for whatever reason, it just hangs longer on this side than this side. So I know that my hair is even. Sometimes I'm hesitant to cut it, but I'm not gonna cut it. I like my hair a lot. It's come a long way. All of the products that I use will be in the description box down below. I actually just got in from bowling. I had fun. So I'm trying to hurry up and film this little outro real quick because I was outside when part 2 of Janet's documentary came on. Did y'all watch it? It's so good. And I just checked the guide because I forgot to record it, and it's about to double back at 11. So I'm like, okay, I got a little bit of time to conclude this video so that I can upload it Sunday. Happy Sunday. When I sleep, I just put a bonnet on. You can make your hair bigger. I know some people kind of scrunch theirs and pull it and do all of that, but I've noticed with me being natural, because I've been natural for a minute now, the way I see people kind of take it and you pull and you blow dry it and all of that, the more I mess with my hair, I lose my definition. So I'm fine with just kind of doing a little bit here and there, but for the most part, just leaving my hair alone. That's what I would rather do. I know the bigger the hair makes them stare, but this is the routine that I found over time that works for me. Look at the definition. As quiet as it's kept, and I know the girls don't want to talk about it, my nails match my outfit. One thing about it. One thing about it. I'm gonna put a picture up. I didn't get the cutest picture, so I'm gonna have to rewear this outfit, but I'll show you all what I wore right here to the bowling alley. She was looking cute. She was getting strikes or whatever. Sometimes I like to flip my hair over. It just depends. Because I'm not really like a middle part girl with my own hair. I'm using the viewfinder. And then you flip it over like that. And it doesn't have to be like super defined to where you would like repart it or anything. Just kind of flip it over, touch up the edges a bit. I don't know, I like a side part on me, if it'll behave. It's not gonna behave, but you get the point. Or you can take it, put it up, and do a cute little pony or something. I'll film a video to show you all different styles for your natural hair because, like I said, the more I mess with my hair, I kind of ruin my curls. And I don't type my hair. I'm sure Voice Over Destiny probably said it. I'm more concerned with the porosity of my hair, but not necessarily so much like typing my hair. I think if you know your porosity, you can kind of better style your hair versus knowing the type of hair that you have. That's just my thing. I'll try not to get lost too much in all the natural stuff here on YouTube. Okay, I gotta go because the Janet documentary is about to come on. If you all watched it, comment down below. Let me know what you think so we can keep the conversation going. And yeah, that's my natural hair. Bye.
I took nut and I turned it into something. I took me a hustle and I turned it into money. I took nut and I turned it into something.